Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Finessven.com, an online store peddling casual menswear, tracksuits, and apparently, vintage jackets. It sounds like a one-stop shop for your wardrobe, but before you hand over your credit card, let's see if they're actually selling clothes or just dreams. The first red flag is the domain itself, which was only registered in May 2024. It hasn't even hit its first birthday yet, and in the world of online shopping, that's usually a sign to run in the opposite direction. I mean, I've had milk in my fridge longer than this site has been in business. Next, we took a look at their catalog. The clothes look sharp, but a quick reverse image search reveals they're just recycled photos stolen from other websites. Apparently, hiring a photographer was too much of a budget buster for these guys. Even their physical address is a hand-me-down, copied word for word from an entirely different company. It's almost impressive how little effort they put into being original. If they can't even find a real building to claim as their own, good luck getting them to find your shipping address. To top it off, they have zero social media presence. No Instagram, no Facebook, nothing. In an era where even my cat has a TikTok, a fashion brand with no social media is basically a ghost. As for reviews, there's a lonely 3.7-star rating on Trustpilot based on exactly one person's opinion. That's not a reputation, that's a coincidence. Put it all together, the fake address, stolen images, and lack of any human footprint, and Finessven.com looks more like a trap than a boutique. Stay safe, shop elsewhere, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reality checks.